So a guide to taking care of your limestone pavers, which would be natural in most cases, and obviously just trying to keep the leaves off of them. That helps with keeping any discoloration that might come from the leaf getting stuck on the patio. Attending to mortar joints. A lot of those limestone pavers or flagstone are mortared in, so that's another thing to keep an eye for. Make sure you're keeping up on all your joints. If you've got any ponding water that's pooling on the patio, that can freeze and thaw, and that can pop your joints. So try to make sure that those are alleviated. Do a good, nice final, maybe do a wash on it in the fall, and then one in the spring, and should keep up long lasting for you. Chipping and flaking you're going to see on a natural product. It's more porous, so it's more the winters, the freeze thaw are more harsh on those products. They do look nice when they're installed, but they are more maintenance to keep up and looking good.